Hello friends, coming back to our channel. This video we are going to see how to georeference the map in QGIS. Yes, open the QGIS. For georeferencing there is one tool called RayStar. Under the RayStar you can see the georeferencer tool. Click on the georeferencer tool. Once click on the georeference tool, the georeferencer new window will be open. Keep on the maximize of the window. Open the map in QGIS georeferencer tool. Select your directory. Yes. So I'm going to georeferencing this map. For georeferencing we need a control point. For that I have prepared the control point that's called GCP1, 2, GCP3, GCP4, GCP5 and 6. There are 6 control points I have. Okay, let's go and find out where is the GCP1. So here I can see the GCP1, that's control point 1. For adding the control point, click on the add point. You can see the yellow color button tool. Yeah, once you click on there, you will get one new window of entire map coordinates. There you need to enter the x and y values. That's called easting and northing. That easting northing value already I have prepared. Yes, better to copy and paste, then only you may not be made a mistake. Okay, copy first easting, paste here the northing value. Yes, so click OK. Find out the second control point. Yes, again click on the second one. Do the same process for the control point 2 also. Control point 3. Yes, I have done 3 points. Find out the control point 4. The next is control point 5. Here you can copy and paste is better instead of entering the value. If you enter, human maybe made the mistake on the while entering on the values. This is the final reading of GCP6. Yes. So finally we have finished enter the all 6 control points and go to settings. It means the transformation settings. Keep the transformation type as Helmut and resampling method is nearest neighbor. Make sure which coordinate system you want to set for this project. See, I am going to set this 32643, which have the EPSG is 43N. And also in output settings, select the directory where you want to save and give the file name, the proper file name, like the default it will be the modified with your file name, so you can rename it as georef. I am keeping the georef. Yes. Finally you can click OK. Yes. Then you have to run the process. That's called the, you can see the one green color button, it's called the start georeferencing. Once you click the start georeferencing tool, the process will go. This area is a small area, so it's done immediately. Yes, the process has done. Go to the QGIS main window, open the raster, the georeferenced one. See, now we can see the map is coordinated. It's meaning it's georeferenced map. So you can see the coordinate of 32643 also. So for verifying the value, better you can add your CSV file here. So I have the CSV file already. If you place the label name, then it will come. It will overlay on the label. My control points is overlaid. Okay friends, I think you may be learned this video. Please try in your machine. Once tried, if you like this video, please support the channel and give the subscribe also. Thanks for watching this video.